Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making avocado salad. For this salad I have a lot of vegetables here that I'm going to be using for this recipe, and I'm just going to start by prepping my ingredients. The first on my ingredients list that I'll be prepping is my cucumber. So I'll start by cutting off the cucumber. So just going to cut my cucumber into thin slices. Next, I'll be cutting my apple. The apple I'm using is kind of soft, so it's just going to melt into the salad. I'll go ahead to dice this. Next, I'll transfer this into my bowl. I'm also adding some fresh tomatoes. So I'm going to cut this. The tomato is quite delicate, so we're not going to press this a lot. You have to be very careful when you're cutting them so you don't make a mess. We're done with this. We are going to transfer it in here as well. Next, we'll be slicing our lettuce. Lastly, we are going to be prepping our avocado pear. So we'll further cut this into smaller sizes and we will take this out. So we are done with our avocado. We will just transfer them into a bowl. So we are done with the prepping. We have a bowl of nourishable fruits and veggies. This is how it looks. We'll just set this aside and go ahead to prep our dressing. For my dressing, I'm using a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of honey, a teaspoon of olive oil, some black pepper, and a pinch of salt. I'm just going to stir this just so that everything incorporates. I want to mix this very well. I'll also be topping this up with a few drops of lemon juice. So I'll just squeeze my lemon juice into this. I'll go ahead to mix this until everything combines perfectly. I'm just going to transfer this and I'll go ahead to mix this. Hey guys, our avocado salad is ready. It looks so yummy and creamy. This is really nice. Let's test it and see. So to test this, I would just want to have a bit of everything. Here's the avocado, this is the cucumber, and I'll get a bit of the tomatoes. This is really amazing. You will want to try this recipe out. Trust me, you would want it again and again. Thank you very, very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comment section if you like this recipe and if you're going to be trying it out. Goodbye. I love you.